back. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature, and in this channel what we do is slay all day. If you're new here, kindly click the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and you're gonna just be the first person that knows whenever I drop new videos like this. Like, I'm bringing a different attitude because I love this. It's like all shades, and guys, you can see that my video is different today. I've got a all ton of lightning going on. I promised you this year we're just gonna get it. We're gonna get the coins, okay? So kindly subscribe and let's just get right into it. Video is all about an Ankara inspired makeup look. I chose the color green from this Ankara and I decided to display the colors on my eye. Like, look guys, look. I have a glitter going on, I have a moon cut crease going on, I have a black liner, and my waterline is not left out. My highlight is like just on the period, okay? If you like this and you want to know how I got this done, just kindly keep watching. To create this look, I'll be going in with this 120 colored eyeshadow palette, and I just want us to just figure out the colors that I'll be using and see how it's gonna come out. But today I think I'm gonna be tending towards a bit of green transition color because I've got a lot of green outfits to show you guys. So let's just go on. Before I go on, you guys notice that I've done my brows. Usually I do my brows with you guys, but I feel that we have learned how to do brows over and over again. I'm just going to show you guys quickly the eyeshadow colors that I used on this 120 palette. For the transition color, the first color I used was this lemon green. I went all the way over here, so I used two of this as the second transition color. Then I used this to darken the outer part of my eyes and the inner corner. What I'm just going to do is blend it out a little bit. I use this orange color to transition the edges of the green, and they sort of just blend out with my eyebrows. So I'm just going in a very light tapping motion with a bronzy orange, and as you can see, the transition is beginning to just go out smoothly. Now I'm going to go back in just with a little bit of eyeshadow going on the brush, and I'm just going to sweep it all over the area that I just contoured, just so it has a gradient finish. And I'm just going back and forth. To cut my lids, I'm going to be going in with this mmmmitchell collaboration with the Plouise brand, and this is the blank canvas. I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. Before the canvas paint dries, I'm just going to go in a tap motion just to create an ombre effect. On both sides as it's still wet. Now I'm just going to go in with the Neonbygarbie to line my eye. And I made it into a liquid paste. Everyone needs this in their makeup box, so send a DM on Instagram to @Garbie'Signature and just get your orders in. So guys, now I'm going in with a glitter and I'm just going on over the neon liner that I just did. And I'm trying to place it so carefully. This is like one of the hardest things. I used the glitter liner just over the neon liner because I liked it, but I was like, let me just get a little bit extra. So I went extra and did a liner over the neon liner, and I think I'm loving what is going on. I'm just gonna clean off the excess fallout, so you guys see that my face looks a whole lot different from before I had the eyelash. The eyelashes make your eyes look so different. Try and master the art of eyelash. The thing is, you won't get it on the first try, so keep trying till you get better at it. That's just my advice. For my foundation, I'm going in with the Juvias Place foundation in Zaria 320 and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 340 coconut, and I'm just swiping it over. I mixed both of them, and I did this because I noticed that the Juvias Place is so orangey on me, and I do not want it to be so orange, so I'm just doing this, and I'm just gonna swipe out the foundation to highlight my face. I'll be going in with the Juvias Place concealer in the shade J13, and I'm just gonna let the concealer rest. You guys know this procedure. I'm just gonna let it rest. So while this is setting and getting ready to be blended, I'm just going to go over with my contour, and I'm just going to contour some certain areas. You guys are going to see it, and we'll be back. As I want these areas to appear hidden and just, you know, tighten up my face so it looks so tiny and small. Who doesn't want to look snatched? Not me. I always want to look snatched. So guys, this is a technique that I use, and I do this because this is a very dark shade, so this shade helps. Oh, I didn't do that nose blend, but because there's a mistake in the nose blend, don't worry, we're gonna get it. We've got this under control. Every mistake comes out to be a blessing, so I'm just gonna blend everything out. So today is a all different type of video. After I was done with the contour and highlight, I haven't used the powder contour. This is literally the cream contour. I've had a couple of people ask me, oh, how do I contour? How do I have it more visible? This video is for you guys, so you see how the behind the scene goes. So you have to cream contour, then go in again with your powder contour so it doesn't get lost in all of this. But I baked, and I'm just gonna set my whole face and come back to you guys. In all the areas that I had my powder contour, and I'm not like blending it out, I'm just tapping it in so that the contour sits just where I want it to be. I'm going in with the Cosmakery blush in the shade Tango, and I'm just putting it on the eyes corner of my cheek. I'm gonna go in again. I love the way it feels. It's so different. Go in again with Midnight. I just used Tango, but I'm gonna use Midnight just over Tango. It has this, you know, you can see it. I don't know how to explain it because it's best experienced than explained. So I'm just going all over a little bit, and this is looking to tone everything going on right now. I'm going in with my fluffy brush and just sweeping everything, including my neck. Just going in a sweep motion so it doesn't feel different and set apart. For my glow, you know I always go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Metallic. And guys, we're about to come to the end of the video. I'm gonna do my lips offline, so we're not gonna take so much time, and Voila. Going in with the Cosmakery lip gloss, and I'm just sliding it. To make it more glossier, I'm adding the Fenty Beauty Gloss Sweet Mouth. And we come to the end of this look. I like what is going on. My lips, I toned it down a little bit so it's not, you know, in the face, but the eye is actually going to do all the talking today. Just so all of this is set and not so ashy or powdery, I'm going to be going in with my Mario Badescu setting spray and going like so. We come to the end of this video. If you loved what you saw, kindly subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you're the first person that knows when I have a new video. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Garbie'Signature. Like this video, share this video, drop your comments, and guys, let's just get our subscribe buttons up.